Hello, good afternoon. My name is Mark Allen C. Fernandez and ngayong araw isasagutin ko yung mga questions for our WRP. So, number one is, what was the most surprising thing you learned or experienced during your 10 first 10 weeks? So, ang natutunan ko during sa first 10 weeks ko na the WRP is ayun like sa mga sayaw and sa mga recreational activities din na mga natutunan ko, which is like sa akin is bago since ngayong sem ko pa lang siya na-try. And ayun, so number two, what new skill or piece of knowledge did you acquire that you found most valuable? So for me, ang new skill na na-acquire ko is communication, especially sa pag may mga group activities. And ayun, mas nagiging clear or mas kumakausap na ako. So number three, how did your expectations for the week compare to the reality of what happened? Ayun ayun. So ang mga expectations ko bago ako pumasok or like umattend sa WRP is ayun, nakakapagod ganyan, nakaka-overwhelm. But kapag na-start naman na or kapag nasa tuloy-tuloy naman na yung WRP is parang gumagaan yung loob ko kasi hindi naman pala ganun yung magiging outcome ng iniisip ko. So, number 4, what was the biggest challenge you faced and how did you overcome it? Or how did you plan to? So, ayun, yung biggest challenges ko talaga is yung init, which is hindi ako sanay. And ayun din, napakikipag-usap din sa ibang estudyante or pakikipag-interact is medyo overwhelming for me, but ayun, so paano ko siya na-overcome is ayun, parang kung ano lang yung kung sino ako or pinapakita ko kung sino talaga ako para at least alam nila or aware sila na ganoon akong tao. So, number 5 is, what was the positive interaction you had with a classmate or instructor that stood out to you? Actually, lahat naman ng mga interactions ko ng mga classmates ko or even my instructor is always positive naman. Mga classmate ko nakakausap ko naman usually, and kahit din instructor namin nakakausap din namin, and ayun, friendly din naman instructor namin. So, in what ways did this week impact your understanding of the course material or the overall academic environment? Okay naman siya sa totoo lang, and sa una talaga medyo parang nakakapanibago talaga for me especially kasi ayun nga, bago pa lang siya at ngayon ko pa lang natatry yung ganito. And number 7, what is the one thing you would do differently if you could restart the first week? Ayun, siguro a-attend ako kahit tinatamad ako kasi sayang din yung credit hours, and at least mabilis din matapos yung WRP. Ayun. Number 8, what part of the learning process or class activities did you enjoy the most? Actually, lahat sila nag-enjoy ako, kahit ayun, sa una naiilang, but pag tumatagal naman nag-enjoy ako. And especially ay yung sa mga sayaw-sayaw or like syempre physical activities yon. So ayun, nakaka-enjoy talaga. So number 9, what are your main goals or areas of focus for the upcoming weeks based on your experience this past weeks? So ayun nga, main goal ko is ayun, matapos agad yung WRP ko or ma-meet ko yung 20 hours na need for WRP kasi syempre ayoko din naman naghahabol ng hours. Lahat naman tayo gusto din talaga matapos yung WRP. So number 10, what advice would you give to a new student starting their first week based on your experience? Kailangan mo talagang pasukan kahit nakakatamad kasi kailangan mo talaga yun. Kailangan na matapos yan. Kasi kapag hindi mo na-meet yung 20 hours, mag-uulit ka ulit. So, last number 11. based on your experience this past few week, what is one suggestion you have for me, your teacher, or for the class as a whole that you believe would improve our learning experience? So, ayon, based on my experience this past few weeks is masasuggest ko lang is para sa akin is kailangan kong maging uh, kailangan kong maging communicator, and for my instructor naman is ayun, i-continue nyo lang yung pagtuturo sa mga student niya, and for the class as a whole is enjoy lang ang WRP para matapos din yung mga gustong matapos agad yung WRP nila kayo. So that's all, and thank you for listening.